So I'm at Bullfrog ramp. I think the lake level is 3583. And just loaded our 25-foot center console, and it's pretty shallow. Ramp's not very deep down here. I had to go back quite a bit. And you can see how deep this guy's having to go for just the jet skis. But I don't know, big cruiser here might have a little bit of difficulty. I'm getting ready to watch this guy put in big pilot house. But all in all, lake level's great. Water temperature's amazing. But yeah, looking forward to catching a lot of bass. Famous last words. Supposed to be 105, and look at all of this hanging garden in here. Absolutely amazing. And it's time to clean up these guys. So got the fillet table, Magma fillet table on the back, and got the washdown hose for afterwards, and it's 38 feet deep right here in this nice alcove. You get a sense of how high. And there's a awesome, I don't know if you can see that, little arch way at the top, and I'm representing my Key West flag, and yeah, we got stripers. So we're flying the stripers. But there's another hanging garden way up there. The 242 is absolutely doing awesome. Can't say enough about this boat. It's kind of outside of its normal ocean going environment, Lake Powell, but I think today's June 22nd, and it's just absolutely awesome. Lake Powell came up about 60 feet this year, and this area that I'm in right now was totally dry at Memorial Day, so pretty cool. I'm gonna go clean these bad boys up, and I'll be back. I'll give you a look before I clean it. Pretty typical stripers for Lake Powell. These I caught trolling, believe it or not. I trolled over some boils this morning, and you can see they're right at just about 20 inches. Yeah, 19 inches right there. So pretty decent fish. They're fat. So the spot I wanted still is too high out of the water, but man, look what I found. Look at this. Woo! Great way to beat the heat, cook some brats, and get in the lake. Awesome. It's hard to believe places like this exist. Look, I am totally in the cave, and it easily could fit 100 boats in here. It's crazy. And let's see, 110 feet of water, or 97. It's going to make it difficult to anchor in here. Just going to be floating. Man, look at all that fish. Jeez, I think it's carp. Wasn't carp. All right, time to cook. So pretty simple. Cooking some brats. Who doesn't like brats? In a cave. Having brats in your own private cave. What the heck? So plan is to chill in here, cook the brats on the magma, and go back out later when the bite's on. Well, good morning from Lake Powell. I have moved a long way. I traveled the length of the lake. I'm down at the south end of the lake, which is I'm only about maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and maybe a little longer from Antelope Marina. But just to give you an idea where I'm at, this is Gunsight Butte. And I spent the night in Gunsight. It's kind of unusual because of all the water and all the plants that have grown. The bugs are bad, but just doing a little troll this morning to see, watching for surface activity and maybe hook up something on the troll. And here comes some guy. All right, but lots of houseboats up here. Lots of houseboats. That's a nice sight early in the morning. Got three pretty fast. Back down in the San Juan. Finding some time to beat the heat and chill out and make some lunch. This is where I'm at. Very cool. Very cool. Lake's dead calm. Hot. Gunsight. I'm getting ready to head to Rock Creek. There we go. Okay. It's the last day and it's super hot. So I'm chilling in this huge cave. If you know Lake Powell, Lost Eden, and there were a bunch of boats here earlier. I think there's 4 or 5 of us in here right now, but it's an idea. That's a cave, man. If you don't do this, you gotta come. So Lost Eden Cave 242, it's doing awesome. Really good all-purpose boat. I've enjoyed it. It's if you've got any questions, hit me up in the comments down below. You guys know what to do. Like and subscribe.